Now exercise 11.2 question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. That means we have to do the justification too. Here two circles are there. They are concentric circles, means their centers are same. One of them with radius 4 cm and the other is with radius 6 cm. Here we have to draw the tangents from the bigger circle. That means from a point on the bigger circle to the small circle. So in this question we have to draw two circles with the same center. Okay, one of the radius 4 cm and other is with a 6 cm. So here I took 4 cm from the ruler and I have to draw the circle with the radius 4 cm first. So this is the circle with the 4 cm. Radius 4 cm. This is the center O. That we should mention first. Next we have to draw another circle with the center O itself. But the radius is 6 cm. I took the 6 cm from the ruler and here I draw the second circle. That means the concentric circle. Second circle with the same center. So these two circles are known as concentric circles with the same center and different radii. Okay, so here the radius is 6 cm. That we should mention here. The next step is we have to mark a point or take a point on this bigger circle. Okay, so here I took a point on the bigger circle because we want to draw the tangent from this point to the small circle. Okay, so next what we should do, join the center of the circle. To which circle we want to draw the tangent? That circle's center. Here the small circle center is O. From there to the point from where we want to draw the tangents. Here it is P. So from P and O and P we have to join next. Now as the above question we have to find the midpoint of this OP. For that we should take more than half of this OP from P or from O and draw the arcs to up and down from P, and with the same measure from O also we have to draw the arcs to up and down. Next what we should do, just join this intersecting points A and B using ruler. Now we get the midpoint of OP. We can mark it as C. Then we should take the distance from C to O and C to P. If they are equal, then only we can proceed the next step. Okay. So first we should check whether C to O and C to P are equal or not. Here they are equal. C to P and C to O are equal. Then what we should do? Draw the circle. We have to draw the circle. Okay. So here we draw the circle from C with radius OC or CP. Okay. Now this new circle intersect the small circle at 2 points, that is X and Y. The new circle intersect the small circle at 2 points that we can mark as X and Y. So these two are the point of contacts of the tangents. Then what we should do? Join PX and extend. Join PY and extend. Then we have to measure this PX and this PY. For that we can use ruler. When we use the ruler, then we will get it as approximately 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter approx. Okay. Not actual, it is only approx. It is between 4.4 and 4.5. So we can write it as 4.5. Okay. These are the measures of the tangents. Then here we have to verify this by the calculation. That means we have to do the justification. For that we have to join this OX and this OY. Okay, as the last question, we have to join this OX and this OY. Then we have to consider either OXP or OYP. Here I consider triangle OXP. Okay. Then in this triangle, we know that OX is perpendicular to PX. OX is perpendicular to XP or PX because according to the theorem 1, tangent to the radius is right angle. So this is a right angled triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So OP square equal OX square plus XP square. OP square. We can find OP square. Now what is OP square? From the center to the point on the bigger circle. That means this OP is same as the radius of the bigger circle. So this length will be equal what? 6 centimeter. Okay. Then this is from O to the point on the small circle. That means this OX is the radius of the small circle. That will be 4 centimeter. Okay, then here OP square means 6 square equal OX square is what? 4 square plus XP square we have to find. So XP square equal 6 square minus 4 square. That is equal 36 minus 16 equal what? 20. So XP square equal 20. So XP equal what? Root 20. When we find root 20, what we will get? 10 to 5. That means 2 root 5. Then we know that the value of root 5 is approximately 2.23. Okay. So we can multiply that by the approximate value of root 5. Then what we will get? 4.46. 2.23 into 2 is 4.46. That will be approximate 4.5. This is more than 5. So we can add 1 to the remaining. So 4.4 become 4.5. So what we will get? 4.5 centimeter. So by the calculation also we get the answer as 4.5 centimeter. I will just revise what we done. First we have to draw a circle with center O with radius 4 centimeter. Then we draw with the same center O and radius 6 centimeter. Then we have to take a point P on the big circle. Then we just join the center of the small circle to the point on the big circle. Okay. Then we have to draw the bisector to find the midpoint. For that we have to take more than half of this OP and draw the arc to up and down from P and from O. Then join that intersecting points. Then we will get center of the line segment OP as C. Then from C we have to check whether CO and CP are equal. If that equal, then only our answer will be correct. Okay. So if they are equal, then we can draw the circle with the center C and radius CO or CP. Both are equal now, so any one we can take. Then that new circle intersect the small circle at 2 points X and Y. Then join PX and extend, join PY and extend. Then we have to take the measure of PX and PY. That will be between 4.4 and 4.5, nearby 4.5. So we can write it as approx 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Then what we should do? We have to do the justification. For that we joined OX and OY. Then consider either OXP or OYP. Here I consider triangle OXP. Here OX is perpendicular to XP because theorem 1. Yes, according to the theorem 1. Then it is a right angle triangle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. Then substitute the required values and get the answer as approx 4.5 centimeter. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.